Hi everyone, my name is Kim and I'm going to present my research project in 6 or 7 minutes. I've selected an interesting technology. It is virtual welding training. I'm going to talk about this topic as follows. Firstly, I'm going to introduce what virtual reality learning environment is and two examples from South Korea. And secondly, I'm going to talk about technologies. What kind of technologies are used for these educational systems. And thirdly, I'm going to explain what similar technologies or similar training systems are used outside Korea. And lastly, I'm going to suggest how to improve this system. First of all, I'm going to talk about what virtual reality learning environment is. Here is the definition. VRLE is an interactive, computer-based application which provides learners with a three-dimensional and immersive learning objects. I believe you have seen a lot of virtual reality things like Google Cardboard or Oculus head-mounted displays. Those devices are for virtual reality learning environment implementation. VRLE has three basic characteristics like this. It is immersive, highly interactive, and imaginary. As you know, the virtual reality is not a real thing that exists in the world, but it looks like very real, so users can experience very real-life-like environment. This VRLE is very useful for learning something or being trained for a special skill. Here are some examples of virtual reality learning environment. The one here is a virtual field trip application using virtual reality technology. Learners can see historic sites or buildings on the virtual space. And secondly, this is a driving simulation for airport vehicle driving. So using this technology, trainees can experience real-world driving situations. And the one here is a application for the disabled or young students with ADHD symptoms. Here are two examples from South Korea. One is virtual welding training system, and the other is virtual vehicle engine maintenance training system. These two applications are developed with virtual reality technologies. This sheet shows the overall process of training. Virtual welding simulator has four core technologies like this. They are visual simulation technology, head-mounted display, and measurement algorithm, and lastly, touch interface. And the other one, virtual vehicle engine maintenance simulator, has three important technologies. They are, the first one is three-dimensional visualization technologies and gesture recognition technology. And lastly, augmented reality technology. As you might have noticed, there are similar technologies between these systems, but one unique difference for virtual vehicle engine maintenance is it has augmented reality technologies in order to show the manuals or use guide to learners. From now on, I'm going to explain about what similar technologies or systems are used outside Korea. In case of virtual welding, there is a famous product which is Lincoln Electronics Virtual Welding from United States. This virtual welding simulator provides more kinds of welding skills than the one in Korea, but doesn't have a web-based e-learning functionality. It is a very mechanical simulator. And this is the simulation system for vehicle maintenance by BMW, a German auto manufacturing company. This training system, basically based on augmented reality technology, provides a maintenance manual. It is an electronic maintenance manual showing some moving pictures or videos on the screen, but it doesn't have to practice functionality. In this page, I'm going to explain what real-world perspectives are, and so I carried out two tasks for the real-world perspectives. One is a survey, and the other one is an interview with an industry expert. You can see the result of this survey in detail by clicking on this image, and you can listen to what the real professional person is talking about this virtual welding training system by clicking on this image. Anyway, this person, Mr. Sin, who is also a virtual welding training expert, predicts a lot of vocational high schools and polytechnic institutes in Korea adopting this virtual welding training. And he says virtual reality technology is very efficient and effective in skills training. So have a look at his interview by clicking on this image. Finally, here are 4 things I believe need to be improved for better training system. The most important thing, I believe, is this one. Welding simulation using only simple device like Google Cardboard needs to be developed for convenient access by users, like from home or any other places. This is all about my research project. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.